I'm Gabrielle Nelson. I am an ambassador for Zamp Solar based in Bend, Oregon. My current solar setup on my rig is the Zamp 2 OBSIDIAN 90s on top. And then I have the 45 portable, which is awesome for when I park in the shade or it's a foggy day in Oregon and I just need a little bit of extra power. I love how simple the portable panel is because it's really easy to store. My van doesn't have a lot of space. I store my OBSIDIAN portable panel up in the rooftop bed. It's super slim, fits really easily. I love the OBSIDIAN portable because it's so slim compared to any other panel out there. Super lightweight, durable, and portable. It's awesome to have the extra 45 that I can just deploy outside and just get that extra boost. I just pull it out, flip it out, super lightweight, super easy and quick. One person can set it up, no problem.